Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're roughly 15 minutes from Montefrio, the town that National Geographic magazine says has one of the best views in the world. We're here in Granada Province, and that's Andalusia, to look at this very impressive country property with 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and beautiful swimming pool. The pool is 10 metres by 5 metres. As you can see, there's lots of space for relaxing, having a drink by the pool, sunbathing. Sunset is in that direction, so it's ideal for early evening gin and tonics. There's well water here, there's 2 wells, they're both completely legal. And the top part of the house has been made into a separate apartment, but we'll start by looking at the ground floor. So we enter via these pretty gates into a private terrace, which, as you can see, is covered. There's 3 storerooms here, just basic rooms, but it's ideal for storage, any extra things that you may have, and a laundry as well. It's really useful to have all this separate. You can see it's gas hot water. This pussycat doesn't come with the house. This is the oldest part of the house. It has really thick walls, so the house is very cool in the summer and it helps retain the heat in the winter. We enter straight into this beautiful open plan kitchen sitting room area with good beamed ceilings, lots of character. It's a wood burning stove. It's a really comfortable space. It has a really nice feel about it. And just off the kitchen is the first of the bedrooms. As you can see, it's a single room, also perfect as an office. So it's a partially fitted kitchen, but completely functional and very pretty. The first of the bathrooms is through this door, and it's a shower room with cubicle. It has some Andalusian style basins, good colouring and plenty of space in there. Up the stairs here is one of the entrances to the separate apartment, and on the right hand side is one of the bedrooms. That's also a single bedroom, and we'll be looking at the apartment a little bit later. Just off the sitting room is another one of the bedrooms. It has beamed ceilings, very traditional windows. So the windows aren't huge in this house because it is an old farmhouse, and it was traditional to keep the windows small to maintain the heat in winter and also to keep the heat out in the summer. The second bathroom is wet room style, fully tiled floor to ceiling. And then at the end of the hall is the last of the bedrooms on the ground floor. There's also another room, really good size. And then that's the ground floor of this lovely cortijo. We're going to enter the other part of the house via its own entrance. So we go up this slope There's 2,400 square metres of land here. So it's big enough to have a really nice garden, but not so big that you have a lot of work to do. These here are almond trees. So it's very, very private. There's Wi-Fi installed, it's by satellite, and it's a very fast system. As you can see, there's lots of really beautiful touches to this house. Your guests can have their own entrance with their car and park their car here, and this would be their private entrance to their apartment. So we enter via a couple of steps up into this really lovely space. Exposed beams. There's a simple kitchen, which obviously you can change. The windows are in the same style as downstairs, so they're traditional cortijo cottage style. Another wood burning stove. This is the first of the 2 bedrooms up here. There's beamed ceilings throughout this space. This bedroom has access to a private terrace. You can see here. And they have views over the countryside and over the swimming pool as well. It's an absolutely glorious location. Private, beautiful, but not too far from anywhere. You know, a 15-minute drive to the nearest town is very, very good to get a place like this. This door on the right is the door that would lead you back downstairs. So that door can be blocked off, can be locked, so guests have complete privacy up here. And then they have their own shower room. Again, it's the same style as the bathroom downstairs, with the really pretty Andalusian style sinks. And this would make an ideal Airbnb. And of course, if you had guests where they had a larger family, or they were coming with additional friends, you as the owner could live up here while your guests use the bigger space downstairs. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed looking around this wonderful cortijo. Please leave your comments and questions in the section below. Follow us on our YouTube channel, share and like our videos. And also, if you hit the notification bell, you'll be informed of all of our upcoming videos as we post them. So don't hesitate to book a viewing for this wonderful property. We don't think it's going to be on the market for very long. Thank you for watching.